Okay, so today we are doing a lesson on what are they doing? All right, so let's see if we can be detectives and figure out what are they doing. What is this? What are you seeing? I'm seeing feet. I'm seeing what? We got to keep that up so we get the green screen effect. Go a little bit closer. Oh, what is this? Huh? Wait a second. Did you see that? Was that a boy or a girl? Could you tell? Let's see. I'm seeing short hair. I'm seeing some black shoes. This, I think, is a boy. So do we say he or she? We say he. That's right. What is he doing? He is riding a bicycle. Oh my gosh, you did so good. Let's do another one. Okay, let's see. How about this one? What? What did you just see? What is that? Oh my gosh, let's see. I think I gotta get out of the way here. What in the heck is happening? Oh, what? Oh, we gotta watch the reflection. Is this a boy or a girl? Can you tell? It's a girl. What is she doing? Can you tell? She is brushing. All right. So I'll tell you how I'm doing this. I have a magnifying glass, which is unfortunately green. Ideally, it would be a different color. But so if you go to your video on the bottom of your Zoom screen and you click on the little arrow on the right and you go to choose virtual background, it will come up. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see I have a green screen, mirror my video, and above I have a green screen, there's a little rectangle. And when you click on that rectangle, that is telling you what color to match. So I'm against one solid background that's purple, but I'm gonna want to use the green felt from my magnifying glass. So if you click in that rectangle, it's gonna bring up some crosshairs, which you can't see right now, but when you click on the crosshairs, over the green, that will be the only part of your screen that's a green screen. And that is how you can use the magnifying glass for lessons. The other thing I'll say is we talk about this in other lessons too, but as you're cycling through pictures, you'll need to keep your cursor and that window open under choose my virtual background, and you can cycle through using the arrow buttons. First you need to click on the next one, but then you're good to go. You can start using your arrow keys to rotate through your pictures. Let me see, I'll do it this way. So this is an activity to talk about actions. And the closer you bring it, obviously, the more of the picture they see. And that's it.